A lot of people ask me if they need a big soft wash setup or pressure wash setup like this skid system that you see behind me. And so in this quick video, I'm just going to answer your question of, do I need to spend a lot of money on my soft wash setup? The simple answer is no, you don't. I started my business with about a little bit less than $1,500 setup. It was about $1,200, give or take. And it was just two 30-gallon drums, a little 5.5 gallon a minute Everflow pump, some Flexilla tubing, and I rigged all that stuff up through a little metering system that you can build out of pool parts. So the answer to that is no, you don't need to spend a ton of money when you get started. And actually, I would recommend that you don't spend a ton of money when you get started. It's probably better off to figure out if you actually want to do this as a business. I will caveat that with ease of use. So as you start getting bigger jobs and as you start doing it more often, you will find that the system that you make with little cheaper parts and stuff, you'll end up spending a lot of time doing maintenance. And so at that point, if the numbers make sense for you, it might be worth it to invest in a system like this one. I had this system built by All Clean Power Systems. There's a lot of good different places that you can get them built. This one costs about $24,000, and they can range anywhere from $10,000 up to literally as much as you want to spend on them. So do some stuff for cheap, kind of make your own system for a little bit is what I would recommend if you're just getting started. Figure out what it is that you like, and then you can invest in a piece like this. Sorry for the noise back here, but let me just show you. This is the fun part about working in public spaces. So these electric hose reels save me a ton of time, right? Having 200 gallons of water on my truck saves me a ton of time. Having a 100-gallon bleach tank on my truck saves me a lot of time. All this stuff is right here. It's really easy to get to. Upgrading to an 8-gallon a minute pressure washer has saved me, again, a ton of time. A bigger capacity gas tank will keep you on the job longer, so that's helpful. Having a metering system that is in its own section and built out the way that you want it built out to be the most efficient for you is great. And then I have these extra tanks on here. These are soak tanks, and this is an auxiliary tank that I use for winterizing in the wintertime, and then in the summertime I can use it for neutralizing solution. And then the ladder racks up here. On my old system, I had a canopy here, and anytime I had to work on the inside of it, I was always bashing my back on it and trying to squeeze in tight spaces and stuff. And so it will save you a lot of time. It will be much more convenient, but you can get away with making your own equipment, at least at the beginning. So hopefully that short video kind of answers some questions out there. What I don't want to see is people that are just getting into the industry go out and spend thousands and thousands of dollars before you even know if this is what you want to do. There's a lot of stuff to learn, and there's a lot of frustrations that come along with this type of company. So do your homework, get some experience under your belt, and then if you've got any questions about what I would recommend you have or don't have on your skid or your trailer, I would love to answer those questions or point you towards somebody who has more expertise in that area. Like, I don't operate off trailers at the moment, just this skid. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Brandon Kelly, and this is Exterior Cleaning for Real. Leave us a like and a comment and subscribe. Come on back for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.